This is 2014 Honda CR-V. It has features sunroof, leather seats, alloy rims, backup camera. Damage from the front right side. Main impact is on this frame. It's bent, so I assume when it was hit right on the fender, making an impact on frame. And that's the reason why after the accident they changed the rims on the car. It doesn't come with this tire. It usually comes with the rim. This is just the dirt on the hood. So yeah, the impact was in a way that the bumper came out completely. This rebar looks good. There's no damage to it. One more thing, the light is also not there, so I assume it's broken, or right after the accident maybe they have taken it out. This side looks pretty good. The fender looks really good. Frame also looks good. So this is how the tire should be with the rim, but on the other one it's not. Just a normal look on this side, it's perfectly fine. So I did take out the front bumper. This is the side of the damage. Now if you see, it was hit from this corner, making an impact and breaking it up. Now the question, can we fix it? I would say no, because if it was only broken from this side, we would have been able to somehow attach it, but it's broken from the side where it holds this grill or the bottom grill. It's not worth to be fixed. That's the reason why this front piece would be bought new, and the bottom one, likewise, it's broken. As soon as it's broken from the edges, leave it, buy another. That's the rule of thumb for our shop. Apart from that, it looks pretty good. We will take out this front grille with this logo, keeping in mind the fog light is also really in a good shape, and we will also take out the license plate cover. And yeah, and the rest we would call it a day. The rest would just go to garbage. The windshield washer bottle, it's broken from the very end part, and we also have to buy the windshield washer bottle. Yep. The rear bumper has some of the spots where the paint has came out. Or wait, it looks like there's a dent. Yeah, there is a dent. So there's a dent on the rear side. Maybe there was an impact, but the color came off, and there are some other scratches, or it's scuffed from this side as well. This is the poor fender. Almost feel like it was punched. So let me just put it in a nice way. I'll leave you guys a spot. Now right there you can see, compare this with a proper fender and you will get an idea of what kind of a damage was it. It was from the front side. This is the trunk, the stuff, tire changing tools. Usually they're not outside the car, but it's because they took out the donut, so for that they had to take out these pieces. Not too sure what this is doing inside the car, and I'm not too sure what this is doing inside the car. Something that you use to flush in the washroom, I guess. Yeah. So as usual with most of our cars, they're always dirty and we have to clean them up after we fix it. Coming back to the right side, some dust particles, but oh, there it is. Just saw the light inside the car. Let's take a look at it. The light facing from the front, it looks really clear. It's just there is a deep scratch on it, but we can get rid of this deep scratch, and probably this will be a really good candidate for me to show you guys how we get rid of scratches on the headlamps. And yeah, hopefully if possible I'll show you how we can get rid of it, but it looks good facing from the front. But I just saw something which I'm not happy to see. It's broken from the bottom side. You can also see it inside. You see there's a spot that shows you the ground, and there's also a big crack from the bottom. We would call this rest in peace. So let me turn on the car, and while I was turning on, I noticed it came with 2 keys, which is a bonus whenever you buy cars. Let me just turn it on. So I'm turning on. Somehow I'm not able to turn on the car. In terms of the kilometers, it's 111,660 kilometers driven, which is really good for 2014 Honda CR-V. I don't see the seat belts locked. So you see that was the driver's side seat belt, and this is the passenger side seat belt. Seat belts are not locked. There is no airbag damage. The dash looks good. So we don't need to reset the module. It's just the front bumper sensors or plugs we have to put, and that will be it. Yeah, so in the meantime, let's just take a look at other features of the car. If you see, it has heated seat option, sunroof. It is a leather seat. It's 2014 Honda CR-V EXL model, keep that in mind. So I think EXL model is one step down than touring model, which is fully loaded. This is not touring, this is just 2014 CR-V EXL model. Let's get out. Okay, so this is 2014 Honda CR-V EXL model. Let's see how it's fixed. Pretty much all the repair work is done now, and we are just wrapping up the car to paint the required pieces. That includes the front bumper, the fender, and the side door. Alright, we finished up the car, it's completely repaired. Doesn't even look like it was damaged. The work, as always, was flawless. If you remember, the fender side and the bumper side was damaged, and I'll leave you guys a spot there where you can see the before and after effect. Yeah, it looks really beautiful. Previously there was some other rim on the car, but now they're all matching from the back to the front. We again did a really good job. I would say 10 out of 10 in terms of paint. The paint really matches with the other pieces of the car. I'll also show you guys the interior. This time it's super clean. You remember how done and dusted it was? So with all our cars, whenever we finish them with the repair, we always clean them up completely because we don't want to give away to our customers dirty cars. And this was a side that had that small dent. We also ended up taking it out without making any impact on the paint itself. Great, so this was how it's fixed. I hope you guys enjoyed the entire process. Make sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel and let us know how do you feel like in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.